What is it, December 4th? Leo the Share here. Look at that nice reclaimed wood little tank thing with some pretty disgusting, what's it called? Fry oil in there. Yoink! So it's coming up through the pump. It's been 2 months since I've been here. I'm transferring it with this pump into tank for transport, and then eventually it'll either get made into biodiesel, which is what this is. I may or may not be helping some people think about running their vehicles on biodiesel, or it'll get filtered and we'll run the Mercedes and or the generator off of it. What? Happy Christmas! Weird things happen every day, even today. So the pump stopped, it blew the breaker because these screws were sucked up into it. And look at it, cut them. Look at that. Gnarly. So, took a little piece of this grate and hose clamped it onto the end here. And hopefully they won't cook any more robot people.